You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
All right, guys, this is where you take everything you've learned so far and bring it to life. Meeting customers isn't just about installing lights. It's about representing the company and creating a great experience. Whether you're working on a home or a business, you're the face of the brand, and how you communicate can make all the difference. A simple smile, good energy, and confidence go a long way. Customers are trusting you with their property, so your job is to make them feel comfortable, answer their questions, and set clear expectations. The better the experience, the more likely they are to refer friends, leave great reviews, or even add more lighting in the future. Setting the right expectations. Most customers don't fully understand how permanent trim lighting works. Some think it's just like plugging in Christmas lights, while others expect it to be totally invisible during the day. It's important to explain what they can expect before, during, and after the install, so there are no surprises. For residential customers, highlight how the lights blend into their home's design, the benefits of app control, and how they'll never have to climb a ladder to hang lights again. For commercial customers, show them how permanent lighting isn't just for decoration. It's a marketing tool. These lights help businesses stand out, attract more customers, and reinforce their brand. Restaurants, storefronts, and event venues use dynamic lighting to create a unique customer experience and drive more traffic to their business. Answering common customer questions. Customers will almost always ask the same few questions, so it's good to have simple, clear answers ready. Will I see the lights during the day? Yes, you'll see the track up close, but it's designed to blend into the house. We match the track color to your trim for a seamless look. What if a light goes out? The system is modular, so if a section fails, we can swap it out without replacing the entire setup. Can I control different sections separately? That depends on the system you choose. Some brands allow for zones, while others operate as a single unit. Will this work with my smart home system? Some brands integrate with smart home devices, while others are controlled exclusively through an app. If smart home integration is a must, be sure to check compatibility before installation. Final tips for customer communication. Be confident. If you sound unsure, the customer will feel unsure. A smile and good energy go a long way. People want to work with someone who's friendly and approachable. Keep explanations simple. Too much technical detail can overwhelm them. If you don't know an answer, don't guess. Tell them you'll check and get back to them. Next, we'll move on to Lesson 2, Estimating a Project, where we'll break down how to measure and price an installation. Let's keep going.